If you're importing 3D assets into Unreal Engine 5, you know the headache. Bad naming conventions, missing LODs, broken collisions, and zero lightmaps. Meet Quadify Base by Anvil Interactive Solutions, the ultimate mesh conditioning pipeline that audits and fixes your static meshes instantly. With a single click, Quadify Base runs a comprehensive 17-point QA check. It automatically applies the standard SM_ naming convention, generates convex collision hulls, and sets up your Lightmap UVs. Instantly, your mesh health score improves. You get a clear composite score from 0 to 100, showing exactly how game-ready your asset is, alongside a detailed before and after breakdown. Quadify Base even handles your level of detail automatically. For interchange drag-and-drop imports, it auto-assigns the LOD group. Just open the mesh in the static mesh editor to trigger the full auto LOD rebuild. Best of all, it works on import. Drag any FBX or GLTF into your project, and Quadify Base cleans it silently in the background. Working with massive asset packs? Use the Batch QA tool to evaluate hundreds of meshes at once and export the results straight to a CSV. Stop doing manual mesh cleanup. Get game ready faster. Quadify Base is available now on Fab for Unreal Engine 5.